The unbalanced forces of attraction experienced by the molecules on a liquid surface result in an inward pull on the molecules on the surface. If I say the molecule which is present on the surface, if you imagine this is on the surface, this is taken as the surface. Okay, so let us imagine this total is our surface. On the surface, if you have a molecule and if you have a molecule in the bulk, let us say this is the molecule which is in the bulk and this is the molecule which is present on the surface. Okay, now we take this as the surface. If you consider these two cases, you can see the molecule which is present in the bulk will be attracted by all other molecules present in the medium. Every molecule will attract it, so that the net force acting on the molecule will be equals to 0. That means the molecule is under equal forces of attraction, so the net force experienced by the molecule will be 0 and the molecule is said to be under the stable energy state. Now the molecule is under stable state. When you compare the same state of molecule, if it is moving to the surface, what will happen? If you imagine the same molecule moves to the surface, it will be under the influence of force of attraction by the molecules which are present in the below layer, experiencing a net force in the downward direction, which is not equals to 0. Net force not equal to 0, but an inward pull can be experienced by the molecule. Therefore, the molecule is under unbalanced forces of attraction on the surface. If I say it is under the unbalanced forces of attraction on the surface, it is observed that the molecule is under stress. The molecule is under stress. There is some potential energy a molecule gained by moving from the bulk onto the surface. If I imagine the same molecule which is in the bulk is now moving to the surface, there is some work done on the molecule to move from the bulk to the surface, because no molecule tries to stay on a surface where it is under stress. No one tries to get into stress mode. Everyone tries to be in the relaxed mode. So who is in the relaxed mode? The molecule which is under bulk of the liquid is in the relaxed mode. Where the molecule moving to the surface, it comes into the stress because there is an inward pull that has been there. Now what does the molecule starts to do? What is that the molecule tries to do? The molecule tries to do is the molecule tries to move close to each other. Every molecule will have forces from each direction. There will be a force of attraction from both the ends within the surface. If I say this is the surface, on the surface, if you see on a surface, if I am seeing the molecule, this molecule is attracted this side, this molecule is attracted this side, the molecule is attracted here. Between any two molecules, if you observe, between any two molecules, if you see, there is an attraction which is operated, and these forces of attraction are operated in such a way the molecule starts to move close. Molecules try to move closer to each other to reduce the area or to minimize the surface area, to minimize the surface area. So that means if your surface is more molecules can come under stress. So if they can move closer and closer such that they reduce the surface area, there will be less stress that will be expressed on the molecule. So the molecule starts to move closer and closer. So there will be some tension that will be applied or present between the molecules. There will be some force of attraction that will be operated between the molecules in the direction to pull the molecules close to each other, such that that tendency of moving the molecules closer to each other tries to minimize the surface area between the molecules on the surface, and that phenomena which makes the surface to act like as if it is under the tension or acts like a stretched membrane. You see, it looks like a membrane that will be created on the surface. If you open a Fevicol bottle, on the surface you can see a clear thick surface that will be formed, elastic surface. If you break it, then only you can see the liquid will be free free liquid will be flowing. So same way, an elastic membrane type of membrane, a stretched membrane will be formed because all the molecules starts to move close to each other, handing each other tightly to each other, and they will be forming a membrane type of arrangement on the surface, and that is due to the phenomena called as surface tension, which can be explained as it is the force acting at right angles to the surface of the liquid along unit length of the surface. So force per unit length is taken as the surface tension, which is indicated with the units of dyne centimeter inverse, Newton meter inverse. This is surface tension.